Hi, this is Abhishek back with another new vlog. Here we'll unbox new M1 chip loaded MacBook Pro 13-inch laptop. Let's have a glance which three main variants are available on the market. And here the one comes with the 13-inch M1 chip loaded with the 16GB unified RAM and 512GB is the most suitable if you are a programmer or a vlogger. This makes your work experience fantastic. Today we will be unboxing the MacBook Pro. Here you can see some of the manufacturing details. You can see there is no seal because I have already opened it and sanitized. But I wanted to show what are the contents you get inside box. So let's keep it aside. And these are some paperwork, and also you get the Apple stickers. You get here the charger and the data cable, and here comes the fast charger. Now let's keep the box aside. So here you get that in the plastic cover. Don't worry, Mac does not come with this sticker. And let's switch on. Here we get 61-watt USB-C power adapter which charge the Mac full in 2 hours. Hope you find this vlog useful. Upcoming vlogs will explore on the accessories you may need. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe and see you soon again.